Hello, welcome to today's market snapshot from LCG. Well, we're just looking at the pound-dollar pair today. There's the big data of the day is the US durable goods. With the durable goods headline number, it's a little bit difficult to follow because there's a big influence from big orders like in the airline and transport sectors. But if you look at the core number, we've seen increases over the past few months. The last month was an exception with a drop, and we're looking for a bounce back today. Obviously, any strong result would be positive for the dollar, negative for the pound-dollar pair, and we have just hit 125, 1.25 in pound-dollar in the cable rate. Obviously, that's a big psychological resistance. There's some signs that maybe the market's weakening a little bit there. Yesterday we got some decent retail sales data from the UK. We did get a pop off it, but we weren't really able to hold on to the gains. So there's signs of weakness here. So this durable goods number may or may not be the trigger for some further weakness in this pair, but we're going to have a look at the chart now and see how this could actually pan out. So this is just a 4-hour chart for the pound against the dollar. As you can see, this was the basing pattern that we put in. We've had a decent rally, and here was where the data came out yesterday. We got that pop above 125. That was that previous high at 125 there. We've drifted down again. Still very much in an uptrend, but just some first basic signs of a little bit of weakness perhaps. That, to my mind, would be confirmed if we broke through this low on the intraday charts at around 124.60 would be a first level of support. And then again, a bit of extra confirmation through this 124.40. Looking at the RSI here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that momentum has kind of flattened out a bit here while we've been making newer highs. Momentum has been pretty much at the same overbought level. We've dropped down through some lows here. So again, chart seems to be maybe setting up for a bit of a topping pattern here. Difficult to pick the tops, obviously, but just a bit of evidence that maybe the British pound's losing a bit of steam. Obviously, that would make sense in the context of the Brexit vote coming up next week. That's it for this market snapshot. We're looking at the pound against the dollar. Some evidence of a little bit of topping around 125 ahead of today's US durable goods data. And obviously, we've got the Brexit, the triggering of Article 50 next week, which is something we're going to talk about in the week ahead video. So make sure to watch that when it's released on Sunday evening. Of course, if you do like these videos, please make sure to subscribe to LCG on our social media channels. Thanks.